Welcome back to the 5 to 10 November 2020. Learn the daily but be alive. Evening by on Sunday to the 22 being to Monday. So, in my questions, which breaks down from wondering how long it takes to clean up. Conclude 3 minutes and 4 seconds. On some kind of hope and that one to clean up. What term will be temporal? Well, probably next week. We'll see. Here we go. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. So, anyway, the rest of the table depend on putting out on the name in 20%.